see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Iya, kasi. Ayan, papunta na kami doon sa shed ni Dad. Pero, no, you don't need the hat. Nauna na yung mga bata yung natidan ni Jang kanina kasi naglinis pa ako sa bahay. Kasi kanina, di ba dapat maglilinis ako? Hindi ako nakapaglinis kasi nga pumunta kami sa beach. But, yan, nakapaglinis ako kahit papano sa lounge, sa kitchen. So, yun. So, ngayon doon kami magsa-sausage and just sausages na. Steak. Barbecue steak. So, yun ang aming dinner. So, tapos dinala rin nila yung mga, yung mga bikes ng bata. So, nagba-bike yun dun sa shed ni Dad. So, yun, mamaya na lang ulit. Say, see ya guys! Say, see ya! You didn't have a nap, Baba. You didn't sleep. Wala pa yung tulog. Simula nung umalis kami kanina, nag-swimming, wala. Ayan, malapit na tayo dito sa... Ayan, papasok na tayo dito yung ni...
Look at that.
Maglalaro sila. Ayan yung shed. Diyan sila magka-camping mamayang gabi. So, diba? Ayan mga bahay ang katabi ni Dad. Eto, walang bahay. Ayan, andun sila. We're here.
Go play, Baba.
Hi. Okay, careful. Kinuha na siya ni Kuya Sak niya. Na, alright.
Before.
Ayun sila.
Did you do his bike?
Yeah.
Way better because I think because the wheel was under there when he turned a little bit, it was right under, you know.
Naglalaro ng footy with Auntie Talana. Yan yung tinapay. Wala pa yung yung... Hindi pa nag-start mag-barbecue.
Thanks, guys. Leave it.
Yeah.
That's what I pulled out.
Why don't you kick it to a lead? After the lead, you kick it there. You kick it on.
Go, Sak! Kick it! Good boy! Oh, no!
You had that video?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Huh? Give it a look at that.
Oh, Sak!
The back, might like that. After they've kicked it, free kick.
Free kick, Sak! So, eto yung lote ni Dad. Ang nakalagay lang dito is etong malaking shed.
Go right up near TJ.
Tapos yung amateur boat ni Dad. So, ayan. Well done!
Guide it down like that, on your foot.
Did you get it?
Go, Jack.
Go, Sak! Oh!
Don't play that hard.
Oops! Baba here!
Drink, Ray, have a drink.
So competitive. Because they've all got the Howard in them.
Holly, come here!
That way, Dick. You can go across the line. No, get a lead. Why don't you get a lead off Hunter wherever it is? Pass it to him. Lead, Hunter. That's too big.
In
That's
my
right.
bag.
When they're standing up there, one line up close to them, kick it over their head. Right up close. Closer.
Oh!
Hey, you're watching. Come on, patting. The boys are patting him now. They used to in China again.
Yeah,
He won't bite, just patting.
she's starting to like dog again.
You know, at least they get used to him.
Yeah.
Did I kiss you?
Okay,
Hi, sweetie.
Hindi na naman siya takot sa dog. Okay na naman siya sa dog.
Ooh, yeah.
Right up.
Oops! Oops! Oh!
This. Hunter, this.
No, son! Just pass it to Hunter!
Oh, hold the ball.
Good job, Saki!
Stop with this, Hunter, give it in.
Oh, Nana! Nana? Oops! Ah!
Doggy.
Doing to your cousin. Hoy! Don't lick his head! Hoy! Ikaw I-check natin yung ano, yung dito sila matutulog, oh. Ah, is this yours? And the kids? Oh, the boys. Dito si Auntie Mel tsaka si Uncle Jace. And dito yung mga boys. Wow!
They're gonna sleep in there.
Wow! Look, Baba! Look! Pasok tayo. Dito silang tatlo. Si Hunter, si TJ, tsaka si Zach.
See, we
It's big.
We sleep in there, then you can get changed and went home with you. You know, you get dressed, have all your bags.
Wow, this is nice.
Actually,
They can do that. They can do that here. Baba, don't push your-
oh,
Is it nice? You like it? Do you want to sleep here with them? Huh?
oh, look, Waxy's coming in.
So malaki tong ano, lote dito
Yeah,
ni
we had to put
Dad.
that over that hole. That's
Yeah, eto. Ayan yung shed. Itour ko na kayo sa shed ni Dad. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung... Ito yung likod. Baba! Oops, it's alright. Come on. And... Wala na. Oh. Okay, where you going? You can go there, Baba. Come on, come here. Here, this way. So, dito sila matutulog ngayong gabi. Ang cute ng tent nila, oh. Sana hindi umulan. Hindi naman ata uulan. Meron silang ano. Diba? Malaki siya. Are you gonna sleep here, Han? Nice! Isa na natin para walang... Oops! Are you gonna go in? Para walang lamok. Wala naman lamok ata dito. Okay. Make sure you close it, okay? So, yan. Hi, Maxi! Then, dyan yung tita at tito nila matutulog. Yan, tank yan. Rain water. Yan kami kumukuha ng iniinom namin na tubig kasi ano siya, may filter. Masarap yung tubig. Galing sa ulan. Yes, totoo. Rainwater yung iniinom namin. Pahinga na sila. Ayun na sila. Oh. Are you having a rest, boy? Water time? That's not water. That's a fruit bowl.
Water.
Quarter time.
Then I go to second, third, fourth. That's it.
Is this how many quarters? This one? First?
Yeah, that one's fourth. After this, it's going to be the second. Next one, third. Next one, fourth.
Alright.
Ollie.
Final.
Ollie,
Who's
you wanna
winning? Who's leading?
I don't know.
Oh.
That was
You want some, huh? Holly? Yeah, it's good. Here. That one. So, ito yung aming kakainin. May salad, tapos may chicharon. Kasi yan, tinapit. So, nagdala ako ng ketchup yung maanghang. Tapos, ladies' choice. Yeah, it's good. Really good.
Some Philippine shop near Joanna's.
Nice. Nice. Crunchy.
Lisa, we have to throw this. I got plastic. one.
Ayan.
We throw this.
I'll take that.
Chicken for you, babe.
I don't like chicken.
Oh,
I want chicken. What's this one?
those.
Beef and then hamburger. Oh, this is steak here.
They're only 2 seconds, them ones. I don't take long at all, them ones.
So yan ang aming dinner. Are you hungry, Zach?
You hungry? Eggs? Nah.
There's no eggs, love.
Hungry.
Sausage.
Yeah,
Chicken hamburger.
one of them.
Is Sandra gonna leave his bike here? Or are you gonna bring it?
No, I will stay here.
Staying here? Ayan, kain na kami.
You can
Go wash your hands.
Go wash your hands. Get in there.
Can you butter my bread, please? Huh?
I am.
For the kids?
Yeah, that's right. Little salad and all that.
Ah, okay. Wash your hands, please. Lots of... What's this? Ta-da! Salad. Ano to? Onion, tapos coleslaw,
You have
potato.
to give it a good stir. I don't know if I put
It's
a good
alright.
stir.
Ay,
That sauce has got to be.
wala. Ito, masarap to.
I haven't taken the what's name.
Ah, this is another one. Ito na? I think it's not.
I'm going to take this. Oh, Jay, can you come and take him?
Yeah, here.
Or can you, if you don't take him, can you take Louise off the salad?
This one, the coleslaw. Another one, big
With
one.
the light switch to get the puros on.
They're just there, under the...
Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh, you just got it.
Yeah, I bought it from Coles this morning.
Yum. Oh, Uncle Stinks. Ayan, maliwanag. Want some noodles? You want me to get you some noodles, Baba?
Hunter!
Dito yung mga tawa-tawa sila sa ano ni Dad. Here, Nak. Gonna say?
No.
Ayan si Sak. Si Kuya gusto niya lang sausage and bread.
Maybe.
You want?
Yeah.
Manners? Yes?
Owl.
Where?
Statue.
Oh, yeah. May malaking owl dun, oh. Here. What you gonna say? Well done.
That. Wait, wait.
There.
Wait, no, it's a fake one.
Not that one?
Oh, on the roof?
Yeah.
That's fake.
Is it? Oh. Are you having a...
typical Aussie bloody perfect barbecue here.
So, ito daw ang typical Aussie food. Is it, huh?
Yeah.
So, yan. Aussie typical food. Sausage, steak, salads.
Let's see.
Ayan. Yummy. What? All this?
Cook on the barbecue.
With the...
Look, do you want some noodles?
Want some noodles, Baba? Wow, you eat all? Wait, I need...
Too much, Bubba. It's too big.
That's right. Wait, mommy get
Too
wipes.
big.
Stay, wait. Here. Here. What? Don't swallow. Slowly. Chew it.
Too much, Bubba.
Chew it. Okay, good girl.
Only a little bit.
Okay, put that one now. Okay, wipe your hands. Baba. Why? Andun sila. Ha? So yan ang food ko. Wow! Steak, sausage, salad, lettuce, and salad. Ito yung sauce ko, yung banana sauce. Ang sarap, ang anghang. You want some, Holly?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Which one? This one?
Did you get your drink, Holly?
Yes, say yes. Oh, Baba. Is it yummy? Good? Good girl. Wipe your mouth. Where's that carrot? Pineapple? Okay, dessert time. Fruits. Ang dumi mo, TJ. Kaya Hana. Okay.
Look at her coming in.
You look like a seagull.
Oh, they might be at the bottom.
Oh, they're up.
We don't need lolly. No one. Pineapple.
What's this?
What?
Right.
Strawberries?
That's watermelon, mate.
That's right. Where is it?
Rockmelon there?
Yeah, somewhere. This end.
Yeah.
No, don't put your fingers through it.
Hey, just get what you're gonna eat. That's it. Don't rub your dirty hands through there.
Look at this.
Yeah. We're gonna get a bucket of water.
Have a look at your feet, man.
Yan eh.
Oh, yeah.
Ang music ni Dad, nakakaantok.
Who wants honey?
What? Who's the singer of that, huh? All the music?
It tastes like rock milk.
Engelbert.
No.
Dance, Baba! You like that fast music?
Dance, Baba.
Dance! Dance! Fast music! Naririnig niya? Loving you.
Who sings this? Connie Francis.
Alam lahat na. Yung mga anak ni Dad, si Jan, si Melissa, si Tala, alam nila lahat kasi daw sila yan yung tugtog lagi sa bahay, sa sasakyan. Oh. Oh.
Find it?
Laro na naman sila.
There.
Bob, slow down, Bubsy. Ain't that one good?
Well, everyone's staying there.
Ang sarap ng dinner namin.
Look at Holly.
Dance, Papa, dance!
Dance, Baba.
You like fast?
Music.
Fingers out.
You like fast music?
Pick it up later.
You like the music, Zach?
Or do you have to go to the toilet?
Yeah.
He's black already.
Brown.
It's gotta be hard.
Probably.
Oh! So, Holly, alis ka dyan! Wala silang kapaguran, no? What time is it, Mel? 8?
10 past 7.
10 past 7.
Dad, give it a hot shot. Give it a hot handball.
Look at Holly wants to play.
That's right. She's the only girl.
We should be here now.
Oh,
Wow!
you kicked into Mum.
Hi, Baba.
So many rules.
Go, Zach! Wait!
There's the singer. John.
John.
That's Jess.
Oh, yeah.
You'll hear Lido in a minute.
La Bamba. Go!
I was getting him.
Oh!
What he's got for
You're done, Baba? Music ni Dad, oh. Kita! Gustong gusto pala yan ni Dad na music, oh. Ta kasama oh giliw ko, miss na miss kita. Ang tagal ko na to hindi na narinig na music. Meron si Dad, oh. Si Holly, oh.
Plan it all, get back out here.
Oops!
Quick, all come out here. Zach, get ready. Come on.
Come on!
Holly, is it Holly?
Yeah, Holly, come here! Oh! Go, Zach, go! Hola! I know! Miss na miss kita! Sama! Oops! Liw ko!
Watch out for the runner on the
Wow! Okay, liw ko!
Is that my jet ski gone past?
Yes!
Is that my new Christmas present? They gone to the wrong shed?
Liw ko! Wow! Ko! Miss na miss kita!
Is he ready for bed? Is that the new tail?
Dance, Zach, dance!
Careful. Dad, you want to sit here?
Baba! Hi! Well done, Zach! Si Kuya, ang galing din ni Kuya. Nice, Mark, Kuya.
Get out of it, yo. I'm sitting there. Ah.
Auntie Mel, sit there. Tingnan mo itong dalawa.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Come on.
Go, Zach, with Auntie Mel.
What's wrong, Jay? You got a sore belly, mate.
Yeah, because he's so full. Dad, I think Bisaya song na naman. Bisaya song ang ano. Duguan si Zach. What happened to your kuya? Ocho na daw. Sira ulo ka. Di na da song, ha? Have you?
Where's the boy?
What boy?
Slip?
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Who? Oh,
Baba! Dance! Sinap ng baba.
no, have a rest now. You're all getting sore.
Yeah, it's, anong oras na ba? Kanina pa sila.
Alright.
7:34.
Just let them have a rest now, Zach. That's enough, mate.
Kasi Olia yun. Okay, have a rest
Have a
now.
rest now, buddy. And make sure you wash your knees. When
That's
you wash
right,
your
before you
feet.
go to bed. Before you go to the
Too
tent.
high, TJ. You throw it up too high.
Say see ya, Nana. Say see
Say
ya.
bye.
Say bye. Alis na si Nana.
Say bye.
Oh, say see ya to Nana.
Zach, TJ.
Say see ya to Nana.
Look at this. Look.
Yeah, they're gonna have a shower again.
Where? Home?
Here.
Oh, I just said wash.
Yeah,
Wash your face, your feet, your legs.
that's right.
Because you'll get itchy tonight because of the grass.
Yeah. Naligo na sila bago sila pumunta dito. Ayan. Laro sila ng laro. Bike, footy,
Oh,
and
look
yeah.
here, because it's hard ground, mate.
You have to wear your shoes, kuya. Gusto
What's that?
What's that?
What's that? What's that, Baba?
Tuwang-tuwa sila sa ano ni Dad. What do you call that, huh? That one?
Oh, it's on the telephone.
Yeah, Philippine something, no? Ayun na si Dad. Bye, pa.
Wow.
Ay. Ayan, nagliligpit na sila. Go, Baba! Good girl! Careful!
Look at your knees.
Don't drop it! Look at...
You're gonna sleep on him on the flag like that.
Heavy?
Oh,
Is
keep
it...
going, keep going.
It's heavy!
Their arms are burning.
Oh! Baba! Ayan, tapos na sila maglaro. Maliligo na sila. Ang dumi-dumi ng pa. Let me see your feet, kuya. Let me see your foot. Yeah! Bike naman sila. Mga walang kapaguran sila, oh. Go, Hunter! Look at Hunter.
How's Lana?
Auntie Talana. Zachary. Oh! Whoop! Suck!
His brother's doing. You can push.
Put your boy back, buddy.
Yeah, they're right there.
Oops! Yes, Baba. Wait, Baba. Yun.
I'll go see Daddy. Gotta get some air in the tires.
Ayan, flat tire.
Still good with spots on it.
Ayan naman sila.
That's the wrong bike, son.
No, I don't the right one, doesn't he?
Is that Zach's bike, Chona?
Yeah.
Where's your bike?
Getting
Getting
air,
repaired.
yeah.
In for repairs.
Yeah. Maintenance.
Mom's repairing for the race.
Oh.
For the race. Mga flat tires. Ayan. Nagpapagawa sila dito sa vulcanizing.
TJ, the bottom.
Oh, Winterbottom.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.